Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get TrueUSD coin using the Trust wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you see the buy and receive icons. Now tap on the one that you are interested in, then type in TrueUSD, and when you find the TrueUSD coin, just tap on it and it's going to generate for you your own QR code and address, and with this QR code and address you can receive TrueUSD into your Trust wallet, or you can just tap on copy and it's going to copy your address and receive TrueUSD this way. The second option, the set amount option, is a very cool feature. Here you can type in a set amount of coins, let's say 46, and then it's going to generate a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive only this set amount, which is a very good feature for transactions or payments. And obviously with the search, with the share icon, you can share your QR code on any social media platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone 13 and see you in the next one. Bye.